Welcome to the Scudo folding table and bar base assembly instructions. When you open the box, it will contain 2 leg pieces, the spider, the folding mechanism, the booker rod, and a column, as well as a washer, 3 nuts, and a bolt. You will need thread lock, a 16mm spanner, a 16mm socket drill, and an 8mm Allen key or drill bit. Firstly, line up the 2 tabs on the folding mechanism to the 2 tabs on the spider. Apply thread lock to the bolt and place it through the spider, connecting it to the mechanism. Fasten the bolt by placing a nut on the end and use the 8mm drill piece to tighten it. Grab the booker rod and apply thread lock to the end with the washer and the nut. Thread the booker rod through the mechanism and use a nut to hold it in place. Once tightened, return the folding mechanism to the original upright position. Use the 16mm spanner to secure the spider, mechanism, and booker rod in place. Next, find the tab on the column and line it up with the tab on the folding mechanism. Place the column over the booker rod and align the tabs. Find the tab on the first foot piece and once again line it up with the tab on the column. Take the second foot piece and line up the large tabs that fit into one another. Place the last washer, apply thread lock, and place the last nut on the end to fasten the feet together. Finally, use the 16mm socket drill to secure the nut in place. The Scudo is one of our first aluminium folding bases from Nardi, Italy, and is CADAS tested. It is suited for semi-outdoor applications and is ideal for hotel, club, and cafe spaces, featuring its streamlined body and soft curves. It has a reinforced aluminium spider with a handle for easy manoeuvrability and stackable sideways for compact storage. For high salinity environments, it is available via indent with an alu treatment.